Take a look at ETC USD 24.93 right now. I do want to point out this one right now coming down to a level here where we can see a possible bounce. I would like to go over that in a little bit of detail here. 20-day simple moving average. Pay attention to that line right there around that 23.50. You guys got a really nice bounce off that. Obviously, start pulling back down again. This is going to be a daily, so each one of these candles do represent a day, a 24-hour period. 30-day simple moving average couldn't get back above that, pushed it back down to that 23.50 again, and then bounced off of it not too long ago. You guys came down, tested it again, bounced really strong off of that. Is that what's happening right now? Well, we're going to continue to watch it. 25 is going to be a level of support. I am going to keep that as a support right now because it's still fluctuating as of right now. You guys can see it climbing back up to that $25. So we're going to be watching for the bounce here between the 25.50. Again, my personal opinion, I think that if it continues to drop, you will get a bounce off that 23.50. That is also going to be a must-hold area. There's not going to be too much underneath this. The next stop under this one of solid support looks to be around that 22 even. All right, 22 even will put you back over here. And then off of that, a next level of support about the 20. So you guys get the idea right there. So we're going to go ahead and add in our information at 24.89. Resistance level, 26.50. 28. We're going to call that a 29 because that's right there at that 10-day simple moving average. 31.30 and then 32.30 at that top. 30-day simple moving average break at 32.30 would be a bullish reversal for this one. But even looking here at the daily, there seems to be a heck of a channel here between that 23.50 and that 32.30. Support 25 and 23.50. $25 to 23.50. I'm going to watch for the bounce here between the 25 and the 23.50. Again, if that 25 doesn't hold, I would expect this one to come down to that 23.50 and then possibly bounce off of that area. Again, ETC USD. If you follow this, make sure that you join investorshangout.com. Check out the message board in the description where you can share your thoughts and your opinions with the tens of thousands of other active investors on investorshangout.com. Taking a look at ETH USD right now, 1030 is where you guys are currently traded, falling through that 20-day simple moving average over here on January 28th and 29th. You guys had a really, really nice rally here, especially starting over here on 126, 127, 128. Just a beautiful setup here, even to the point of a possible bullish reversal at that time. But unfortunately, you guys broke through the 10, 20, and 30-day simple moving average. If I could put this line right through there, that's going to show you kind of where those all tie together. Right now, you guys are resting on a support level that you guys already hit the low of 998. I'm going to go ahead and put 1,000 in there to make that a flat number, which is going to ultimately be that support level anyways, in my personal opinion, although that you dipped slightly below that. But you guys did recover fairly nicely, hitting a little bit of resistance right now between that 1050 and 1100 and then 1150 and 1200 off of that. We need to get back up there above. I would like to see this one back above the 1115 area, give or take, to be above the 10, 20, and 30-day simple moving averages again. So again, those are going to be the levels here that we're going to continue to watch for ETH USD. Let's go ahead and put in our numbers here, and that's going to be 1032. Actually, 1033 is where you guys are currently at now. Resistance at 1050, 1100, 1150, and 1200. So every 50, right? And then you guys are going to see the same exact thing for the support at that 1,000 that you guys already hit, and then the 950 to follow up. Must hold a break of 1100 would be bullish. All right, that's what we're going to be watching for. You guys get through that break up there, that 10, 20, and 30-day simple moving average, exactly around that 1115, give or take, but 1100, I'm going to put it on there as that flat number where they kind of all conjoin. But if you guys get back up there to that 1115 area, definitely would be a bullish move here for ETH USD. If you guys follow this one, I definitely encourage you to join investorshangout.com. If you guys are interested in more videos like this and more of the ETH USD, just leave a comment below. If you guys have any other requests, any other crypto cryptocurrencies or any other coins that you would like to see us cover, you can leave that again in the comments below. I will be sure to add it to my list of tickers and stocks that I do go through. We're going to continue to track this one, watch for that break of 1100, investorshangout.com. Taking a look at GLD USD right now at 1950. So we're going to go ahead and set up our resistance and support levels here. I'm going to go ahead and keep these numbers flat for you. I think it's going to be a little bit easier. 22, 25, 28, 32.50. 32.50 is going to be that top at that 30-day simple moving average where you guys are currently at right now, getting very close, actually slightly dropping below as of right now of that 1950. That 1950 is going to be a level of support that I'm going to be watching. I'm going to continue to keep that one in there right now because you guys seem to be fluctuating between the two. And then we're going to want to see that must hold area of 18. All right, so if we go back over here, you guys are going to see why the 18 level is going to be very important here. I would say the next level off of that's going to be that 17. That 17 down there is going to be a level that it's going to be that definitely must hold area. So we'll stick with that 17, but I would definitely want to see a bounce here between the 18 or 1950 and that down there at that 17. Hopefully you guys don't get that low, but you guys should be able to get a bounce here in the short term off of this area. So let's go ahead and put that in here at that 1945 is where you guys are currently at. You guys are going to have that resistance now at that 1950, 22, 25, 28, and then 32.50. Support. The next big level of support off of this 1950, I'm going to put in there because it is slightly below there. You guys are going to fluctuate it between being a support and resistance. We're going to put that as a support as well right now at that 19, and then the 18, and then the 17 must hold, in my opinion. I'm going to put in the bounce between the 18 to 17. All right, so it should bounce here between that 18 and 17. That's going to be getting down there to that lower Bollinger Band. That lower Bollinger Band's a long way down there, but you guys can see the upper Bollinger Band kind of turning down pretty quick. That 32.50 at that top 30-day simple moving average break right there would be definitely a bullish reversal that I would be watching for. Again, for GLD USD, if you guys follow this one, make sure you join investorshangout.com. Leave a comment below if you'd like to see more of these videos. If you have any other requests for any other cryptocurrencies or coins or stocks, let us know. We will be sure to add them to our list during our live streams. GLD, USD, investorshangout.com. Taking a look at ION USD right now, currently traded at 343. You guys are coming down through that 30 and 20-day simple moving average. Not exactly what I'd like to see personally, but you guys did break through that level right here around that 384, which is going to be the 30-day simple moving average. Is normally the big solid support that I watch, and unfortunately that broke. And you guys can see exactly what I mean over here. You guys broke through that same exact way. Boom, big rally up. You guys come back down to that 30-day simple moving average, and then again, another big bounce. This time you guys came down to it and unfortunately continue to fall through that. So you guys are going to be watching for a support level. $3 is going to be coming up next. That's going to be the next level of support. And then underneath that, we're going to need to get through that 476 to be back into the bullish territory. A $5 break could break out from here. There is going to be a little bit of support as well between around the 320. It looks like about the 320. So that as well could come down to that and bounce off of that. So that's what we're going to be watching for. Those are going to be the levels of support and resistance for ION USD. We're going to put in 344. I'm going to keep these numbers flat for you. 344 is going to be the current price. Resistance, 350, 384, 415, 476, and then that $5. Support off of there here, $3, 250, and $2. All right, so again, we're going to be watching for these levels between $3.50 and $3 to get a bounce off there, especially if history repeats itself. It should be here around this level. We're going to continue to watch this one. As I said, resistance $3.50, $3.84, $4.15, $4.76, and $5. Support at $3, $2.50, and $2. A break of $4.76 would be bullish. Watch. I'm going to put it on here around $3. Watch for a bounce between the $3.50 and $3. Again, that break at 4.76 would be bullish for ION USD. If you guys follow this one, make sure that you join investorshangout.com and check out the description for the message board for ION USD, where you can share your thoughts and your opinions with the tens of thousands of other active investors who use investorshangout.com daily. Taking a look at LTC USD right now, 138.80, It's moving right now. You guys are dropping through a little bit though. Fell below this support level that was really watching right there around that 173.45, right there around that 10-day simple moving average, which is currently live. 173.55 starting to move through. I do want to point out right now though, you guys are breaking through that level of support that I was watching around that 141, still fluctuating around it. Let's see how this one closes out the next 24 hours or so. But as of right now, you guys did fall through that support at that 141 even. The next major level of support that I'm seeing here based off of the candles over here on the beginning of December of 2017, the next major level is going to be around that 127. And then most importantly, that 120 is going to be a must-hold area, in my personal opinion, because off of that, you guys do have that big candle, and your next level of support wouldn't be down until around the 105 area. So we're going to be watching for a possible bounce here in this, because obviously you guys know, especially if you guys follow all my video charts that I do, you guys do know that watches lower Bollinger Band. Look at what happens there. Boom, you guys get a nice bounce off of it. You guys come back over here, get outside of it. At least you guys got some sideways action with a little bit of a bounce from that 190 to that 209 area, but just couldn't get above that 10-day simple moving average, following that red line down. That's exactly where that 10-day simple moving average currently is right now. You guys got above it slightly back on January 28th and 29th, and unfortunately pushed you guys back down to where you guys are currently at right now. Those are going to be the levels that we're watching for. To get back above 209, that would be a bullish reversal break of that 209, but as well, keep in mind your 141.80 as of right now, so you guys are slightly above that support level again, which is good, right? But that 209 is what you're going to need to get back into that bullish territory. Reversal area could break out from there, and then 240 and so on from there. Then I see another one around that 280 and then 320 and so on. So we're going to continue to watch this one as we move forward. Let me go ahead and add in my notes here as well. And that's going to be for 2-1 for today's current date, 141.40 for the current price. Resistance levels, I'm going to put in here at 158.50, 173.45, 190 even, and then 209 even. Support 141. We just talked about this a second ago. 141, 127, and then 120 must hold, in my opinion. Watch for a bounce here between the 141 to 127. And again, that break at 209 at that top. That break of 209 at that top would be a bullish reversal. We got to watch for that 141. I would really like to see that 141 hold, but if not, your next level would be 127. That's exactly why I put that in there. So LTC USD, if you guys follow this one, make sure you join investorshangout.com. We would appreciate it. That's where these videos come from. This is where we do the live streams. We cover everything from penny stocks, big boards, to cryptocurrency. So if you enjoyed this video and would like to see more of these kind of videos, make sure you leave a comment below. Let us know. We will be sure to continue to cover LTC USD.